If your LinkedIn account was banned or restricted and now you no longer have a LinkedIn account, I'm here to help you. I have lost two LinkedIn accounts and it was really painful. I opened a third one and I almost lost it too, but I did something differently this time. So when I lost the first one, I appealed and it was left pending for many months. After such a long time, I opened another one and that one got banned in March. Now, I don't want to go into the details of how it happened because right now we are focused on the solution. So this is what you're going to do. You open another LinkedIn account using a completely different device. Now, when entering your name, switch it up a bit. Don't use the exact name you used before. You get it? You can use just your first name and your last name. If you used the three names, your middle name, first name and last name before, now you can switch it anyhow you want to do it. And then as soon as you open the account, verify your identity. Okay, I have a video that shows you how to verify your LinkedIn identity and get the batch, right? So you can check out that video. I'm going to just attach it here. Now do that as fast as you can. If you're not able to verify immediately and they ban it again, this is what you're going to do. You're going to send an appeal, and this time you're going to go about it differently. Do not make reference to your former accounts that got banned. Don't make any reference to them. Just contact support. To contact LinkedIn support, use your laptop so it can display like this. Click on Help Center. When it opens up, you click on Contact Us. It's going to open up a form where you can fill in your information, your name, your email. Remember to use your new email that you've created for the new account, not the old one, because if you put the old email that you used for the very first or second account, it will refer to that account, so you must take note of that. I made that mistake before I later realized. Then you're going to select the issue type. If you tap on the drop down button, you see lots of options. You select restriction. Is this related to premium? No. You select no, it's not. In which app or site? Pick not app or site specific. Which device? You're going to choose not device specific. You see that option when you tap on the drop down. Now, in the box below, this box is for you to now write out your issue, so you can explain here what exactly it is. For me, I just said that I'm a virtual assistant. I opened my LinkedIn because I wanted to use it to connect, to get to clients and all of that, and now it's been locked. I need help, blah blah blah. You'll see the message later. So I even went on to attach my passport even when they said do not attach. Then you verify and submit. Once you submit, you're going to get this automatic response from them to show that they've received your complaint. I think they also sent me another link where I filled in this other information here. I've forgotten. But at the end, you're going to see all of the information that you filled out. After this, you don't need to do anything. You just have to just wait to get a feedback from them. Luckily for me, I got this feedback that my account has been restored and I can go ahead to use it. After some time, I opened it and everything was working fine. Was that as soon as I got access to my account, I went ahead to do the verification so I can have my verification badge, right? And that was really easy. So you can try this. Like I said, completely new account using a new phone. Rearrange your name, and when reaching out to them, don't tell them you have lost accounts before. Just start it afresh.